As a designer of high-quality koi ponds, I make the highest demands on filter technology for my clients. And of course they're koi. It's not just the huge filter capacity which is paramount, but it has to give maximum convenience too. To be honest, the Oase filters didn't match up to my high demands for a long time, but the new ProfiClear Premium offers a real alternative and gives excellent value for money. That's what sold it to me.
The filter system for the highest demands and the results of more than 3 years-long development with leading koi experts. The drum filter module ensures the ultimate filter performance. Small dirt particles are washed away by the fully automatic cleaning process. Due to the slow flow in the moving bed module, pollutants such as ammonia and nitrate are effectively broken down. The secret? Taken from industrial water treatment technology. Helix Biomedia is ideal for effective biological filtration. With an unrivaled surface, the Helix structure offers the ideal settlement surface for microorganisms. The result? Crystal clear water quality. The Aquamax pumps are ideally suited in the individual module, perfectly matched to the Bitron Gravity UVC unit, for crystal clear water with a low pathogen content. Now you can tend to the individual needs of your water. Clear water with first-class visibility allows your garden pond to come into its own. Relax and enjoy the view. The automatic filter system takes care of everything. ProfiClear Premium. For highest demands, without compromise.